Welcome back. So now we will create some more formulas, but this time we will use a ready-made file to show some demonstration. To start, we'll now go to our file, and as you can see, there are quantities, there are values in cells. These values, we can reference them for operation. Okay, first we have to select the cell we want that will contain our formula. In our case, we will select D12. We will select D12 because it is the total in our file. The next thing we need to do is to type equal sign, and notice how it appears in both the cell and the formula bar. So, pansinin nyo yung sa cell na nire-reference and then dun sa formula var. And then, type the cell address we want to reference. Now, type the cell address you want to reference first in the formula. In our case, we will select first the D10. And as you can see, a blue border appear around the reference cell, the D10. Then, after that, we have to type the mathematical operator we want to add, we want to use. In our example, we'll add the additional sign, the plus sign. And then, the next thing we have to do is type the cell address of the cell that we want to reference, secondly, in our formula. In this case, we will select D11, and as you can see, another border but red border appeared in the reference cell. And then the next thing we have to do is to press enter, and then the formula will be calculated. And the value will be displayed in the cell, not the formula. If you select the cell again, kung sinelect nyo yung cell, notice that the cell displayed the result, while the formula bar, itong formula bar sa taas, displays the formula. That's the difference. Please note, if the result of a formula is too large, to be displayed in the cell, example in this, the result is too long, it may appear pound sign, yung pound sign, ganito siya, yan, ganyan. Yan ang makikita natin kapag masyadong malaki yung value nung result sa formula. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is to increase the column width to show the content. As you can see, dahil mas mahaba at mas malaki yung value, naglalabas lang siya ng pound sign. To show the cell content, increase the column width. Okay, let's now go to modifying values with cell references. So, pwede nating mabago yung mga values dun sa mga nire-reference na cell. This is the true advantage of cell references because they allow us to update data in our worksheet without having rewriting the formula. Ang nire-rewrite lang natin is yung values. In our example, we will modify the value of D10 and D12, D10 and D11 para ipakita na na-update yung value noong formula, nung result ng formula. So, we will update the 1,200 to 1,800. Tingnan nyo, automatically, na-update din yung value, yung result nung formula na nilagay natin. But, always remember, Excel will not always tell you if your formula contains an error. So, it's up to us to check all the formulas we added. To learn about this, how to do that, we can reference the video about double checking our formulas in this channel.